let's take a look at the AutoCaptions feature. What I have in here is my previous tutorial where I created a social media edit. So as you can see, it's in a different format. It's vertical, definitely more social media friendly. And what we're going to do is we're going to create captions using the AutoCut plugin. Now, how do we do that? Well, what we can do is we can go up here to AutoCaptions. And from here, we can define our section. So once again, we can choose entire timeline or in and out points. For this, I'll just use the entire timeline. Click on Validate Sections. And what we can do next is select our audio language. So in my case, I'm a very American man. I'm going to go with English, United States. If you have an SRT file, you can choose that as well. I'll skip that for now. Then we go over to Open Caption Editor. And this will lead us to a new page where we can choose from several presets, several text presets. Now from here, we can choose our caption style. So down at the bottom, we can see a few presets. And when you click on them, you can look in the preview over here and see how it looks. You can also go here to Community Presets. And this is sort of a preset library where other users of AutoCut created their own presets and had it uploaded. And if you click on the different pages, you can see what people came up with. I'll cancel out and choose this one. We can also go here, edit the style. We can change the font. We can adjust the animation, the transition, the text format, the outline, and the box. But for now, I'll leave it untouched and apply the style. Now we're going to go down and we're going to add captions. And it will now load those captions into the sequence. And there you go. Now if we go into our timeline, you can see that the captions are created on a nest above. And if we scroll through, we can see the captions on the screen. Pretty cool.